Hi there. Yes, we are back with the last two Sudokus. Tectonic with 1 star and 3 stars. In this edition of today's newspaper of Thursday, September the 24th, 2020. And this Tectonic will be a number 1610. So let's get started. And the first question, can we see here the single box? I see here the single box. The single box is always the 1. A dual box, the 1 and the 2. Let me mark them, 1 and the 2. Then these two boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These two boxes are reserved for the 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. These two boxes cannot be a 4. Wait. We have a 3 here. Those 3 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. We have a 3 here. That means these two boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These two boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those two boxes. These two boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. These two boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this area for the number 1. These two boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. The 1 and the 3 are left. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And the 1 goes there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 2. Let me mark them, 1 and the 2. These two boxes cannot be a 4. That box can be a 4, so the 4 goes in these two boxes. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in these two boxes. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1 because I need a 1 in one of those two boxes, so the 1 could be here or could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. That means that, we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be at a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 1. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or there. That means in this triple box, those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. We have a dual box, 1 and the 2. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 will be here or there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. So I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. The 3 and the 4 are left. Let me mark them, 3 and the 4. These 3 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. The 1 and the 2 are left in this dual box. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 2 there, otherwise I cannot place any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here, and the 3 goes in there. That means that these 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 should be in one of these 2 boxes. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here or there. These 3 boxes, oh no, we have a 1 here. Now we have a 1 here, so this can be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 5. Those 2 boxes can be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. This box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this can be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. This should be the 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left for the 2. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 1 box left for the 4 should be there. The 1 and the 2 are left. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be the 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. The 4 and the 2 are left. Let me mark them. This box can be a 1, so the 1 goes in these 2 boxes. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 goes in that box. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes in this box. This one should be a 2. We have a 2 now, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 4. These 4 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes in this box. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this can be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 2. The 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there, 3 should be there, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this can't be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 1. Now we have a 2 here, so these 2 boxes can be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Those 2 boxes should be 3 and the 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there, 3 should be there, and the 4 goes there. Then this box cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair, so this box is left for the number 3. This box can be a 2 or 4, and the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. 2 and a 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 1 box left for the 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2 anymore, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. The 3 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. The 1 goes together with the 3, 3 and a 1. So 1 box left for the 4. And now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be the 1. Finish in 10 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you very soon in a minute with the last Sudoku. It will be a Tectonic with 3 stars. See you later. Bye bye for now.